Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of photography gear. Today, we're looking at a highly regarded travel tripod, the Gitzo Tripod Traveler Series 1. This tripod is known for its premium build and exceptional performance, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Gitzo Traveler Series 1 is designed for professionals who need reliability and portability. It features 4-section carbon fiber legs that provide excellent stability while keeping the weight down. Despite being compact, it extends to a height that rivals full-size tripods, making it versatile for various shooting scenarios. Right off the bat, the build quality of the Gitzo tripod is impressive. It feels robust yet lightweight, thanks to the carbon fiber construction. The twist locks on the legs and the control knobs on the ball head are rubberized for a comfortable grip, which is crucial during long shoots. In terms of performance, the Gitzo tripod excels. It can support up to 22 pounds of gear, accommodating a wide range of camera setups. The ball head operates smoothly with a locking mechanism that provides stability for precise framing. Whether you're shooting landscapes or portraits, this tripod offers the reliability needed for professional work. One standout feature is its compatibility with ACA Swiss plates, allowing you to use different accessories seamlessly. It also includes a shoulder strap for easy carrying. Although it's worth noting that a carry bag isn't included, which might be a downside for some photographers. Using the Gitzo Traveler Series 1 is a pleasure. The operation is smooth, and adjustments are quick, thanks to well-designed controls. For those who travel frequently, its compact size when folded makes it easy to pack into a backpack or carry-on luggage, enhancing its appeal as a travel companion. So, should you invest in the Gitzo Traveler Series 1? If you're a professional photographer looking for a travel tripod that combines durability with portability, this is a top contender. While it comes at a premium price, the long-term value and performance justify the investment. That wraps up our review of the Gitzo Tripod Traveler Series 1. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews. Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences with travel tripods or any questions you might have. Until next time, happy shooting!